Candy!
Malas, Brad.
Kili sa ka.
Ay, balik ka. Wala na yung sunod. Ikaong tanan. Tanan!
You're next.
Sunod!
Brad, tarong na, Brad. Team na, Brad.
Pilay, edad ni Uncle Phil. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117, 118, 119, 120, 121, 5. I'm asking what's your age. Okay, pila edad ng Uncle Phil? 1, 2, 3. Ha? Okay, sunod. Pila edad ng Uncle Phil? 1, 2, 3. Sunod! Pila edad ng Uncle Phil? Ay, sige na! Pila edad ng Uncle Phil? 1, dang! Don't tell him! Pila edad ng Uncle Phil? No coaching! No coaching!
Yeah, I just
Don't tell him!
I just want
Six!
that.
Six!
Brad, agad na si Mami, Brad! Brad, agad.
Ay, labot!
Pila edad ng Uncle Phil? 1, 2, 73!
Give him a prize! Give him a prize!
No! No!
That way, that way.
No coaching, no coaching. No coaching.
Not trying. Oh.
No clue. Ilan edad ng Uncle Phil? 1, 2, 3.
51?
Give him a prize!
Sunod.
Oh.
Ilan ng Uncle Phil?
You-
1, 2. Sunod, sunod, come here. Ilan edad ng Uncle Phil? 1, ha?
Hey!
Bunot naman, bunot.
Wala.
What you got?
Consequences. Yeah.
Ayan.
$50 tagwa.
50 pesos.
50 pesos. Oh.
Next question.
Brad, mapatay na mula lang, Brad.
Hoy, ganda. Apil mo ganda. Apil mo tanang diri. Okay, sunod. Unsay paborito nga color ni Uncle Phil? Red. 1.
Oh, mama. What did,
Okay, next. Come on.
what did you
Paborito
ask?
color ni Uncle Phil?
Mula.
Come here. Paborito color ni Uncle Phil?
Twang.
What's your favorite color? Oh.
I can't tell you.
Color ni Uncle Phil?
Twang.
Paborito color ni Uncle Phil?
Green and red, but said. They already said green and red, so.
Paborito color ni Uncle Phil? 1, 2, 3.
Nice ka, Roy! Nice ka, Roy! I love you, Roy! Kaya, Roy! Kaya, Roy! Roy, sa kalibo, bro!
Oh.
You got it? Yay! What a ginagawa, guys! Sabi mo, nakatalo na kayo. Nice job, Brad!
Kinsa man sunod? Oh, ako na pod. Unsay akong paborito nga color? Pink. Sunod, sunod. Paborito na ko nga color. Red. Orange.
Ano ko kabalos question?
Unsa akong paborito nga color? Pink. Orange. Paborito na ko nga color. Prize.
Oh, got another one right.
Prize.
Okay, let's see.
Nakaduha ng may.
Katawa.
Katawa! He wants to laugh. Katawa!
What's the question?
Huh?
What's the question?
What's my favorite color?
Oh,
Oh, karon!
don't ask me. I don't know.
Pila akong edad? 1, 2, 3, 4. Sunod. Pila akong edad? 1, 2, 3. Ha? Hindi, pang-senior ha? Toy, lang ko na senior citizen world. Sunod. Pila akong edad? 1, 2, 54. Toy! Pila akong edad? 18.
Yeah! Give that guy a prize.
Kani, karoon ba?
Ano kabalos sa timakmak, Brad? Yawas, Brad.
Give him a prize.
Wala na timakmak, Brad.
50, something.
Wali siya kabalugod. Kabalugod.
18 na sila. Pila akong edad? 1,
5'6". 5'6".
Wrong.
5'6".
Good job.
Ha?
Good job.
Ino, na bukas din. Na bukas.
Pareha magsulatanan.
No.
Pareha man sila ginani.
Ambak pa na! Nabukas ulit po.
Ano pa man? Isa pa may kabalong sa
Dari ka po.
Good job.
Sinabot ang mo. Maro mga hindi yan eh. Dali, sulit na kandaan ko eh. Right na sa...
Ano madali anak? Sige lang, kay konsekwensya pa rin.
Perfect one, Brad. Perfect knowledge, Brad. Gitu ba?
Sunod. Okay.
Ano, bro?
Unsay in English sa malibang? 1. Ay, 5. Apel ka sa linya, ma.
Kaya na, sabi.
Apel ka sa linya.
Buto ba?
Tanita, rare, unique.
Ito naman si...
Naman sige rin. Alos in bed.
Please get the
Pila ba?
Okay, karon unsa ang middle name yang fulfilled nga nag-start sa letter M. Guess, that's a guess. Matog na niya yun.
No, ni.
Letter M. It could be Matt, Mike, basta in English, apelido sa in English. Basta sa nga word sa letter M.
Apelido sa English?
Oh, hindi, nagsugod sa letter M.
Mulo, muli, mulo. Mulet. Wait. Wait.
Mulok.
Letter M. Letter M, middle name. Yo.
No, say it.
More, more. More.
Sige na, letter M. Like, more, baby, more. Michael.
More than
Michael.
you. More than. More than.
Dili.
He was-
Linya, wow, kay Kani.
He was a disciple.
Linya.
Think of that.
Gulat, oh. O, ikaw. Make a guess. Letter M.
Marley.
Math.
Ay!
Marley.
Ay!
Marley.
No, that's it. Ay, sige, Riamar. Sunod, dali. Pila ka letters? No. Upat.
Ay, more.
Pangalan mo ito. Middle name ni?
Mark.
Mark instead.
Phil
Middle
Mark.
name?
Paul Carter.
No! Come on, sunod!
Next.
Balik ka, Mac! Tulido niya kung fail. Nagsugod sa letter M. 1, 2, upat ka letter. 4,
4 letters.
5, 10. Okay, nagsugod. Ha? No! Sige na! Mike? Is it Mike? Mike. Says yes or no?
No, but you
No.
know what they need to know because they
No, don't.
they can't they need to hear what was already said because a lot of them are repeating the answer. So not give him another chance. That's not Mike.
Oh, sa maminaw mo kung unsa gisugod.
You know what? I'm going to give you
Para dili ninyo ma-repeat
give you a
ang mga
clue.
pangalan.
It ends with a K.
Oh. It starts with M, ends with a K. Kasunod, dali. 1, 2, 3. Huh? Oh, is that Mark?
No.
It is.
What did you say, Mark?
Yeah, middle name.
Mark. Yeah.
Right.
I thought you said Mike.
Mark lagi, I told you.
Here's your big chance.
Balik ako, balik ka, Mark. Ayan siya, Mark.
20.
Oh, 20. Oh, wala na
Next
nakabisto.
question. Nagulilibay na. Sa kalibuan kay Dave sa yun, pudbi.
Well, you've got to give them clues.
Hey, no, because there's a lot of them.
Yeah.
It's not like 5. Sayo? Onside. Kanina nagsugod ni sa... Ay siya, nakatawa ko, wow, kamunon siya, pinairin ni mo, 80. Nakita sa tuhod, uy. Matungod sa tabi?
Hindi, tigwang mga gupil.
Muna niya.
Si Daniel, ini ka tubag kay.
Bilay, sukod sa...
Ilay sukod sa tele.
Sa hawak ng kumfil.
Ano,
1,
90 sure
2,
ko.
3.
95. Dako na kay Brad.
You said your waistline is 95.
Dako na kayo.
Give that guy a dusting.
I'll get
What?
80 sure.
Next.
So that I can answer.
Pila mo, insakto. Pila mo.
You know what? You got to remember, do they know inches? Yeah, but no metric.
They know.
You mentioned it.
Oh, they know? Okay.
So you would say yes or no if the
Wala ko ba lang?
Okay.
Okay. Ilan nga kumfil? 1. I know. Waistline.
47. Basta kayo makatubag ko.
Is it right or wrong? 47.
Wrong.
Wrong.
I will get the answer because I'll
Kaya ako paborito.
Oh, that. You,
Is it 54?
no.
No. Oh, sunod. 54. Hoy,
Tama sa dito ka
Hey, alin ba? Sige, apil man siya. Hindi ba? Desa ka. Ang isunod din mo 55. Is it 55?
No. You-
Sunod. Dali.
Think,
Pilay sukod.
think smaller.
Ni Uncle Phil. Wait, kanay. Pilay sukod ni Uncle Phil.
Then under
Hawa.
smaller.
Pilay hawak. Ha? 62? Is it 62?
No, I
Lower,
think smaller.
Pilay sukod ni Uncle Phil.
You gotta remember, I wear my pants under my gut. Think
Ha? Is it 54?
no.
No, this is
I wear my
Sunod,
pants
sunod,
under my
sunod.
gut.
Lower than 54.
My pant size.
Pilay sukod ni Uncle Phil. 1.
Think of pants.
Ha? Is it 52?
No.
Lower.
Okay, you gotta remember the guts here, the pants are here, a lot lower.
Ready?
49.
Is it 49?
No, keep
No.
down. Keep going down.
Mama.
I'll finish.
Ay!
No, I'll finish naman ko. Dili ba ko musaba?
Bumalik man ka dito.
Dili na ko mo appeal.
37.
No, down here.
Mama, honey, is it 37?
Oh,
Dili ka ba? Dili text. Dili text.
Oh, is it 37?
not quite.
No!
Ay na magpanaw.
Sunod. Ilan pa kayo?
Down. That's no good.
What's your sukod? Oh, no!
Oh, no, you gotta think my pants size, not my stomach.
Minkas wala ka ng katubag.
No, go down. Go
Sige,
down.
ikaw.
I see here.
I'm gonna have to pull my pants
No!
down.
Ah, sabi?
Kinala rin yung buo para makita na rin.
I'm gonna have to.
Wala niya.
I got.
Oh, wala di. At sa akin, katag na. Karon.
Sunod.
Ako yung bulbos. Karon. Apel.
Pila edad ng kusel? Pila sukod?
Sukod.
Pila sukod? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Lower pa.
Pakutana. Is it 44?
No.
No.
Remember, not the stomach. The down here where I wear my
Sunod. Pila
pants.
sukod ang kusel?
Think low. Think low.
Sa pila naman to? 42.
Is it 42?
No.
No.
Think low. Think low.
Do you hear me?
That, I can't hear. Right.
Okay. Pila. Naman. Paubos ka naman sa akin.
Think lower because under the stomach where my
Pila
pants are.
sukod ni Uncle Phil?
41.
Is it 41?
No, think lower.
Lower.
Think lower.
Pila sukod ni Uncle Phil?
No.
No. Ikaw, Katie.
45.
No.
Oh, don't I wish.
Ubos naman, ubos.
Now remember, it's under 40, it's above 25.
Oh, there you go. Alec, close.
Somebody said 37. Oh, you said 37 and once
No.
before. Somebody said that
No.
already.
No, it's not 37.
Yeah, but somebody but
Ilan 37?
they're not hearing each other's guesses.
No. They're not paying attention. It's up to them.
44.
No, lower.
No.
No, somebody.
Sige na, sunod. Oh, lower sa 44. Lower sa 44.
Lower than 40.
In between 30 and 40. Okay. Is it 32?
No, don't I wish.
Taas kamay. Taas.
36.
20. Is it 36?
No. Higher.
Go.
Higher. Higher. Nanay Klo, oh. Sige na. 1.
37.
No, somebody said 37.
No. Nagsumaymay, nag-37 na. Mag-pay attention.
Somebody
oh,
said
kung saan
37.
nagtubag. Okay.
There's only one number left. There. Oh, she was waiting.
Oh, nga magtulog-tuglo ka. No coaching.
Oh, I think that's a good
Hindi mo
one.
na mabalaan. Tingnan na naman tanan.
Oh, bro.
Oh.
1.6. Ano ba?
Ano?
Sige, kanta na po. Kanta, kanta, kanta. Ganyan.
Daniel! 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 Daniel!
Okay. Next.
No, he's doing his consequences. He needs to sing.
Oh, why is he got to do? Oh, is that what it
He's got to
said?
sing it, yeah.
Oh, you gonna sing?
Twinkle, twinkle little star, how I wonder what you are. How the love the world so high, got diamond in the sky.
Nice job.
Sunod. Unsay sukot sa TL ni Uncle Phil?
I'll
Brad,
try.
nakalala niya na sa art, Brad.
Unsay sukot?
7.
Nagsugod sa
7?
5 pataas. Clue. 5 feet pataas.
Height?
No. Sukot sa tiil. Di ba na?
By feet or by...
Di ba na?
Feet.
5, 5 and a half. 6, 6 and a half.
Not set and a half. You go by inches. So be 5 foot something.
No, I'm searching for the shoe size.
American size.
Oh, shoe size.
Ano ba? 42.
Shoe size.
In 40s or in...
8, 9, 10, anak.
Oh. Pila sukot sa tiil, di ba? Ikaw, 7. 7, 7 and a half. 8, 8 and a half.
8.5.
Is it 8.5?
No, that's
No,
right.
that's what we said. That's what we got.
No, you got
We're
the.
just letting you know. That's what we're getting.
8.5, ano ko, Timo?
8.5.
No, but you're not. No.
It's okay. Just
Oh no. Yeah, but that's not right. I thought
know.
it was my height.
no.
No, that's not right.
It's okay. We'll just go on. What is it? Anay mo.
I thought it was the height.
So, it's okay?
No, did it?
Sahin.
Okay.
Okay. Ang
One
clue
down. One down.
is 10 above.
O, sige lang. Di dapat. Kaya mo gani kay not less than not higher 10. Di wa mo nag-10 ka pin.
Not lower than 10.
Wow, nagsugod sa 10. Like 10, 10.5,
Ingon natin na
11.
5 to.
10 and a half.
Okay, wala ka sa linya.
Ang linya.
O, sige linya.
Una.
10 and a half?
Yeah.
Bah. Okay. What's,
Oh, sunod.
12.5.
Is it 12.5? Basta 10 above, ha? Ayaw mag-abot sa dog. Basta 10 above. Is it 11?
yes.
No!
Yes. Yes.
No, yes, no, yes, yes.
Because I said one lower,
I said 12.
and I said one lower. Okay, you got a good one.
Pila ka gulo, ha?
Nailag na kaya?
What's the next one? What's that? In English, sa big up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Huh? Okay, I'll take that bird. Bird. It's a bird.
Oh.
I got this. Let's go, Brad. 100.
Hang on to that. Good.
In the bag. Woo!
Okay, we got the singing bandit.
100 bucks.
Ibisaya, ako nito. Okay.
Brad, nakadaw ka na sir sa tumabak, Brad.
Onside, in English, sa pusod. 1,
Alisod.
2, 3, Sunod. Navel. Ha?
Navel.
Yay! Pusod. Pusod.
Umbilical cord.
Ha?
Umbilical cord.
Oy!
Belly button.
Alright! Very bata! Very bata! Very
That's a good one.
500, 500.
Sana? Bulya?
Bokya! Bokya!
It means
Wala, wala. Sunod.
Sino po talaga na?
Onsay.
One lang ko daan, ha?
Sa
Nga lang ko daan.
alom. Sa alom.
Ay, mall.
Ah.
Oh, you finally got one.
Ha?
You got one.
Dagan mo kaayo lang.
katay mong gayong gaya mga teacher.
Asa? Ha?
Color. Gayong gaya na ba nga color?
Nawa ko kay Baloy, ako ra to. Kabaloy ka sila nagkuan, sila nag...
Dili man mabalan ka pulis ng inani so dili niyo makita kung ang sulod.
Gabi na si Rim Suway.
Wa jud sa kuha sa kuan.
Let's see.
For the lucky, you are the one to open.
Okay.
Ang pang presyo ani.
Oh!
Bukya?
Don't show nobody. Don't show nobody.
Oh, see, swerte. Let them see. Okay. Let them say, siya ang itabukas, siya ang swerte.
Okay, but hang on to that.
You're very lucky. You are so lucky to me. She got 500.
Ayan ka wala pangasa ka na
Okay, I'll keep it. Thank you, Pia.
Napa dili ang 1,000. Okay?
May 1K.
Napay 1K. Ayaw ko wala pag-asa. Balong ko gagawin na sa iyo.
30. Thank you. You're the one who
Okay,
open,
ready?
so you're lucky.
Not usually.
Sa
Good for you.
Anjos. What's in English sa Anjos? Eyeglasses.
Pick a good one.
1,000.
Napadi ang 1,000. Naglutaw pa.
50,
Oh,
okay.
50. Yay!
Mabayad ka.
Gamay na lang. 1,000 na bilhin.
Okay lain. Sa English sa...
Ay,
Unsa in English sa... Uwat.
Scars.
Oh, there you go.
Bonus sa Yalabad.
Napadi ang 1,000.
Hoy! Numero ha?
1,000.
Bang! 100 again!
That's good.
Another 100 bucks. Brad, kabalo ko sa mission, Brad. Isahan ko rin mo. Millionaire! Here we go! Let me find it! Brad, agad ako ngayon, Brad.
Ala say.
Uy! Ang sa'yo English sa dukot eh, ano? Rice! Rice! Kakaalam ka! Dukot natin rice! Kakaalam ka!